Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install an M.2 NVMe SSD into your system. This is a great way to add extra storage for your games, files, photos, or even videos. And it only takes a few minutes, so let's get started. Step number 1, check compatibility. Before you begin, make sure your motherboard actually supports NVMe drives. Some older motherboards don't have an M.2 slot, or they might just have one that's already being used by your main Windows drive. If you have a newer motherboard, there's a good chance you have at least 2 or more M.2 slots. If you only have one slot and it's already in use, you could replace your main drive with a bigger one, but you'll need to reinstall Windows afterwards, so that's up to you. If you can't find your M.2 slot, remove your graphics card and look underneath it. Sometimes there's a hidden slot right there. You can also check for any M.2 shield covers that might be hiding it. If you only see one, unscrew it and it'll be right under there. If your motherboard doesn't have any open M.2 slots, your only options are either use an external M.2 reader, a PCIe adapter card that plugs right below your graphics card, or just install a regular 2.5-inch SSD or hard drive. You don't need much for this installation, however, you will need a number 1 Phillips head screwdriver. A Phillips head 2 or anything larger won't work for this. Next, you're going to need a tiny little M.2 screw. This usually comes in the motherboard box itself, and sometimes it's taped under a little plastic bag near the bottom. If you don't have one, you can buy them online. Occasionally an M.2 drive that you buy might actually have it, but most of them don't include it. Now it's time to install the actual M.2 drive. Line up the little gold connectors on your SSD with the slot on the motherboard. Insert it at about a 30-degree angle until it just clicks in. Then gently press down and secure it with the M.2 screw. If your motherboard has a heatsink or a shield, make sure to remove it and take off any of the protective film before installing your new drive. This will help keep your new NVMe cool and stable. Once everything is installed, close up your case and power on your PC. When Windows loads up, your new M.2 drive won't show up right away, and that's because we need to format it. Press the Windows key and type in Format. Click on Create and Format Hard Disk Partitions. You'll see your new SSD listed as an unallocated space. Right-click the black portion of the bar and select New Simple Volume. Click Next a few times, choose a drive letter like D, E, whatever you want, and format it as NTFS. After that, your SSD will appear under this PC, and now it's ready for use. And that's it! You've successfully installed and set up your new M.2 NVMe SSD. Now you've got more high-speed storage ready for your games, files, and projects. If this video helped you out, please smash that thumbs up button, hit the subscribe button for more PC tutorials, and I'll see you guys in the next one.